Hello, managerial accounting students. This is Professor Marsh, and I'm coming to you from an undisclosed location. I am recording this as a kind of a makeup lecture for the discussion that we had in class about Chapter 8, Exercise Set A, and Problem 8.5. This is the one about Sitka Industries, and it was a question about the variances that they had in their cost system. And so the problem reads that Sitka Industries uses a cost system that carries direct materials inventory at a standard cost. The controller has established these standards for one ladder, and you can see that there's a small table there. It has direct materials. Standard quantity is 3 pounds. Standard price is $4.50 per pound. And so the standard cost for materials is $13.50. For direct labor, it's 2 hours is the standard quantity. $12 per hour is the standard price, and $24 is the standard cost for labor. And so the total cost at the standard cost is $37.50. And what your problem tells you is that Sitka Industry made 3,000 ladders in July, and they used 8,800 pounds of material to make these units, and Sitka Industry bought 15,500 pounds of material in the current period. And there was an unfavorable $250 direct materials price variance. And the question is, how much did Sitka pay for the 15,500 pounds? And it's a little ambiguous, because if you do the purchase price of 15,500 pounds at the standard price of $4.50, and then you add $250 to it, you get to a nice round number of 70,000. But if the materials price variance is based on the pounds that would be used to make 3,000 ladders, which is actually how you would calculate the variance, you'd use to get the price variance, you would use the standard quantity times the actual price minus the standard price, and that would give you the standard quantity times the standard price minus the actual price would give you the variance of $250. And so if the standard quantity was 9,000 pounds, because that would be 3,000 ladders times 3 pounds, and then you multiply that by X minus 450, and that equals $250, then what you would get is a price of $4.52.7 per pound at that variance. Your total price for the 9,000 pounds would be $40,750, and so the total price paid for 15,500 would be $70,180.56. And so if you do the calculation that way, that's what you get. If you think that it's just a $250 variance on the purchase of the 15,500, well, that would be a misuse of the variance term. But at that price, it would be $4.51.6 per pound. So hopefully that explains the ambiguity in the problem and why so many people got different results, including me in class. Then they ask you, what is the direct materials quantity variance? And to get the quantity variance, we're going to multiply the standard quantity minus the actual quantity. So that's 9,000 minus 8,800 times $4.50, which is your standard price. And that gives you a quantity variance of $900. Okay, let's move on to C. In C, what is the total direct material cost variance? And so in that case, what we would have is actual quantity times actual price minus standard quantity times standard price. And so actual quantity, 8,800 times, and I used for this calculation, I used the $4.51.6, but I could have used $4.52.7, minus 9,000 times 4.50, $4.50. And so I got 39,742 minus 4,500, which is a $748 favorable cost variance. And then if 9,500 pounds had been used, then the direct material quantity variance would be the actual quantity minus the standard quantity times the standard price, and that's times $4.50, and you would have an unfavorable $2,250 direct material quantity variance. And if there was a 350 favorable direct material price variance, then how much did Sitka pay for the 15,500 pounds? And that's 9,000, the standard quantity, times X minus 450 equals $340. 9,000X, you subtract 40,500 from each side, and you get 9,000X equals $40,840, and you get $4.53.8 per pound, which would be $70,335.56 for the 15,500 pounds. So that's how I did the calculations, and I hope that was helpful. Do follow the formulas when you make these calculations. And when I write any questions about this, I will try to avoid the same ambiguity that we had in the problem. Hope that's helpful to you, and have a great day, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.